Hello everyone, I am NB from class of Python. In this video, we are going to see a text-to-speech Python project. Without getting late, let's get started. First of all, open any browser, search gTTS, install in Python. You will get the first link, pip install gTTS. Copy this command, open CMD, paste it, hit enter. After sometimes your installation will complete. Because I already installed here, it is saying requirement already satisfied. So close this window, browser also, open any Python code editor. So from gTTS, import gTTS function. So take a text variable and enter some data in it so that we can convert that text into speech. Create speech engine variable so that we can create the function text to transformation, text to speech transformation function equal to text comma language is equals to English and TLD is equals to co.in. So here text means the source of the text file or text, and en means language, you are specifying language. TLD co.in is nothing but Indian slang, local TLD. Okay, and next call the speech engine to save the file with some name, let's say test.mp3, and you will see a text file will be created in the source at the location where you created this project. Let's just execute this. It will take some time. If the text is too long, don't worry about it. Use small length text first, and then you can use any PDF files or text files so that you can convert them into audible audio. Okay, let's see the text file here. So I got this test file here. If you open that,
Abu Pakir Janulabdin Abdul Kalam, the 15th of October 1931 to the 27th of July 2015, was an Indian aerospace scientist who served as the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. He was born and raised in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu, and studied physics and aerospace engineering. For more projects, tutorials and career guidance, do subscribe to our channel.